In this fast growing world where everything is going digital, education is not going to fall behind. And in this video, we bring you an innovative solution that facilitates personalized learning in schools. And that solution is called the iPrep Digital Library. This is a tablet-based Smart ICT Labs solution for schools in India, and it comes with a set of Android tablets that are preloaded with comprehensive set of digital learning content, including animated video lessons, practice with instant feedback, syllabus books, class notes, a rich collection of digital books, interactive lessons, audiobooks, simulations, and much more. And as this digital learning content is preloaded on the device, students can use this in schools without an internet connection. The best part, these tablets come with a real-time usage tracking feature, which at every moment records the individual student's learning progress made using these tablets. These reports can also be synced with a centralized reporting dashboard once these tablets are connected to the internet. And we call that reporting dashboard the iPrep reporting dashboard. These tablets come with a movable and lockable charging trolley, which can accommodate 5, 10, 20, 30 and even 45 tablets. The one you're currently seeing on the screen is a 5 tablet trolley. With this tablet trolley, you can charge all the tablets with a single electricity source, and once charged, these tablets run for an entire day's duration, which is roughly 8 to 9 hours for a school. So this right here is an innovative solution for schools to cash on the concept of digital education. So if you are representing a school's administration which is planning to implement an ICT lab, this right here is the right solution for you. Or if you are representing a CSR wing, an educational NGO, or Indian government's education department, this right here is what you're looking for if you're planning to invest in digital education. Thank you.